Hey, this is Sabrina from Faileas Creations, and I want to show you what I ordered off of eBay. I have a license in cosmetology. I realize a lot of people don't know that. You know, I make jewelry and soaps and stuff. You know, my husband helps, family help. But I really wanted to do the soaps and lotions because of, you know, me working doing hair for so many years. But anyway, so I needed my nails done. What I have is just old, outdated. And I went on eBay just to see, you know, what I can order. And I don't think this was much of anything, but I want to go over everything with you. Wow, look at that. This is the first thing I want to show you guys. Let me put this down. This is the drill. And my poor little drill, I use it for so many things. I use it for my resin, and you know, to drill bigger holes and beads. But anyway, I've seen this, and you know what? It doesn't have a thing to let you know the number that is on. That is a bummer. But I still like it all the same. It's better than what I had. I want to say this was $29. There's that. This right here is some serious plastic. But you can still hold it, and I guess that goes in there. That's not bad. This is the set that goes with it. And it came with all of these bags of the round files, which is awesome. Awesome. Let me load that. I'm trying for this not to be a long video. This was in here. Okay, so let's see. What else? Oh, this right here is some more files, actually, which I thought was just friggin' awesome. Look at all that. You can. That's really nice. And I'm going to put this in this drill bag. And this is the, I'll move this out of the way. Uh-oh, I'm not too happy with this. The one that I have is kind of, it sits off the ground a little more, so I can put the resin stuff in it. Not many lights in there either. And this goes up to 120. It would have to go up to 120 because a few lights. This is my old one. I don't quite remember what I paid for my old one, but you see how many lights is in there? And see how it sits further up off the ground than this one is? I can put a lot of resin stuff in here. So, not thrilled with that. I mean, I know, you know, this is a nail, you know, kit, but, you know, not jumping up and down about that. Okay, the next thing, let me put this down. I don't know what all that is, but let me. This is some nail polish, and how do you know what that is? Because I'm gonna tell you something, I don't know what that is. How the hell of it am I supposed to know what colors these are? Absolutely no way for me to know it. Absolutely no way for me to know the color until I open it. So each one of these, I'm going to have to put a dot. Maybe that's why that black space is right there. I have to put some gel in that spot right there. Right, can y'all see that? They have it on each one of these. And one of that's there to, you can put a dot on it just to put the color on it. Okay, I'm not happy with that. That's going to be a nice chore for me. This right here says the poly gel, extension poly gel. I've never used that. A lot of people just say it's just like, that it's just like acrylic. OMG. Absolutely no way of knowing the color. I'm assuming that's glitter. You guys can see it. Let me see if I can turn this off. That is not helping the... Yeah, you can tell a little bit of that. That right there, this one right here, is glitter. But there's no way for me to know. Quick building nail gel. Poly for manicures. I have no clue. Absolutely no clue what color these are. Zero clue. Wow. I'm just double checking. Double checking. Make sure I didn't. Oh God. Patch number. That's CN. Nope, don't go by that patch number. Wait, whoa, whoa. Does show some type of color. Anyway. It's a nail gel polish. And again, I don't know what. I know nothing about these. It says nail gel polish. That's a brown. That's a red. Other than that, there's no way. Oh my God. Absolutely no way for me to know what colors they are. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I'm really disgusted. I mean, I'm really disgusted. Nail cleaner. Slip solution, okay. So that's for that. Professional nail art. Put the line on there to give your French tip. That's nice. Oh, instructions for the nail drill. That's not with the nail drill. I'll put that in there. Oh, a couple of samples of nail stickers. Ah! Whoa, oh, wait. I think I got happy too fast. Easy to use, color code stickers. So I got to do my own little... What do they sell? Nail dryer. I don't know why they said nail dryer. These are the poly gel, the forms, which I usually don't use. Decorate both your nails and life. A couple of files. That's nice. That's nice. Just little hand clippers. I'm assuming this is a brush. I'm not going to assume nothing with this. This is, wow. Maybe I'm not used to like doing it yourself here, putting the colors on it. I just assume, that they would do that. I've never. Okay, let me just stop. Ah, that's for the poly gel, and there's a little brush to help smooth it down. Alrighty, guys. I don't know if y'all notice I'm kind of disgusted. It is. It's a good amount of stuff. Let me see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my God! There's not even enough of these. Is there another one somewhere? Oh my word! There's not even enough of these. Wow. Okay, guys, I'm so disgusted with this. I don't know. I think I paid like $39 for this. Okay, guys. I'm so I'm so pissed. I'm gonna say bye, you guys. Guess be careful when you get stuff online. Lord, day in the morning, I'm pissed. Y'all have a good day.